welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be installing a deep wave wig 16-inch by Fxck Beauty, and obviously my hairdresser Miss Dems is installing it. So yes, first of all she just bleached the knots, she left it on for quite a long time, and this was the result. So I asked for some fuck off baby hairs. Guys, I love baby hairs. I love baby hairs so much. So of course your girl Miss Dems has to do it for me. So she's just starting off by sectioning a bit of the front so she can then cut my baby hairs. Fun fact guys, it literally took us an hour to decide if I should have a side parting or middle parting, but we just went with side because I always have middle. You know, it's good to be different. But yeah. This is so hard to explain, which is why it's good as a video, but she kind of like holds her finger and then curves the hair around, but then because she's holding it the hair doesn't move. It's so like hard to explain, but yeah, you guys can see what she's doing. Once she completed the right side with baby hairs, she went ahead and used a hot comb just to flatten down, you know, the front and the side. Now this got to be spray is good because it holds the baby hairs, and then when I take the wig off the baby hairs will literally still be in the exact same spot. Damn girl. Oh my god guys, I love this. So obviously I wanted to go shorter, so here we go. This hair is so bouncy, it's soft, the wig is light. I would give this a 10 out of 10 or 9.5 out of 10.